In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your operations or someone who simply wants a better handle on their communications, this process can make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have access to a computer or device with internet connectivity. The first thing you'll want to do is open up HubSpot in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, make sure to log in with your account credentials. It's crucial to be logged in, as this ensures you have access to all the features necessary for importing contacts. Once you've successfully logged into your account, navigate to the dashboard where you're presented with various options. Look for the CRM option. This is an important hub where you'll manage your contacts. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. Click on this as well. Here, you're provided with a view of your current contact list. It's also where you can add new contacts or make changes to existing ones. Now, to start the process of importing contacts, you need to locate the Import option on the screen. Click on this to proceed. You'll then see an option that says Import Data. This is your ticket to bringing in all your new contacts seamlessly. Click on Import Data to move forward. The next step is to click on Start Import. This is the initial step that sets the stage for bringing new contact information into your HubSpot CRM. On the next screen, make sure to choose the option labeled Contacts. This is essential, as it tells the system exactly what type of data you're looking to import. After selecting Contacts, move to the following screen by clicking Next. Now, you'll encounter a section where you'll need to select a specific arrow and make a choice, followed by clicking Next again. This part might seem less clear because it will be more interactive depending on the prompts and options HubSpot presents to you. Essentially, you'll need to follow the prompts on your screen carefully. This ensures every step aligns with what HubSpot requires for a seamless importation process. As you continue to go through these interactive prompts, you'll find that the process becomes increasingly intuitive. It's all about following instructions and, if needed, referring to HubSpot's help resources for clarification. Remember, the key is to remain patient and move methodically through each step. And there you have it. You've successfully imported contacts into HubSpot's CRM. By following these steps, you're now equipped to manage your contacts more efficiently, paving the way for smoother communication and operations. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and stay tuned for more insightful tips on using HubSpot effectively.